Mae amddiffyn plant a phobl ifanc yn un o brif flaenoriaethau'r Comisiynydd. I'r perwyl hwn, comisiynwyd llamau i ddarparu gwasanaeth cymorth a chyfryngu i bobl ifanc a'i teuluoedd a reportiwyd ei bod ar goll ac mewn perygl o gamfanteisio rhywiol neu erledigaeth. Mae'r gostyngiad yn nifer y bobl ifanc sydd ar goll yn dangos effaith y gwasanaeth. Felly, bydd llamau'n parhau i ddarparu'r gwasanaeth hwn am o leiaf y 2 flynedd nesaf. Mae'r Comisiynydd wedi darparu cyllid sylweddol tuag at waith y tîmau troseddau ieuenctid. Mae hyn yn cynnig dull gweithredu aml asiantaeth o weithio gyda phobl ifanc sydd mewn perygl o droseddu. Y nod yw gwella eu diogelwch a'i lles drwy gynnig ymyriadau a gweithgareddau. Ac mae'n cael effaith wirioneddol. Bu gostyngiad sylweddol eisoes yn y rhai sy'n dod i mewn i'r system cyfiawnder troseddol ieuenctid am y tro cyntaf yn ardal Dyfed-Powys. Mae'r Comisiynydd wedi bod yn gweithio'n agos gyda'r 4 awdurdod lleol i wella'r cymorth i ddioddefwyr camdrin domestig. Gwnaeth hynny drwy gyd gomisiynu darpariaeth gwasanaeth cynghori annibynnol ar drais domestig newydd ar gyfer dioddefwyr risg uchel. Hefyd, ariannwyd cymorth ychwanegol i ddioddefwyr sydd ag unrhyw lefel o risg. Mae hyn wedi arwain at darparu gwasanaeth cyfannol a di-dor i ddioddefwyr troseddau. Mae un o'n partneriad, Dyfed-Powys, yn cynnig ystod o wasanaethau cwnsela ac eiriolaeth arbenigol i bobl a ffeithiwyd gan dreisio neu gamdrin rhywiol. Maent yn parhau i gynnig cymorth mewn argyfwng bob awr o'r dydd i ddioddefwyr camdrin rhywiol, gan gynnig cymorth parhaus mewn ymgyrchedd diogel, gwasanaeth diogelu a gofal clinigol a forensig arbenigol.
For more than 25 years, Dyfed-Powys has provided rape and sexual abuse support services for women, men and children who've been affected by sexual violence.
Working within Dyfed-Powys obviously presents some challenges because of the sheer size of the area and the dispersed population across that region. So we work with the Office of the Police Commissioner to look at innovative ways to make sure that everybody gets a service regardless of where they live, so that their needs are met when and where they need it. And this really is so beneficial to the communities because it not only provides a service for the people that need it, it also makes our communities safer places to live as more perpetrators are brought to justice.
It was breaking. I felt overwhelmed and couldn't trust myself to keep myself safe. I was having night terrors. I dreaded sleep. Sleep was awful. It was where everything played out. And that's what brought me here. It was seeping through and overwhelming. It had felt safely contained in a chest, but then it started seeping through. I felt, what's the point of everything? And that took me to counselling. And thankfully, Dyfed-Powys was here.
The Commissioner also works with a wide range of other organisations to ensure the safeguarding of vulnerable children and adults. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth am hyn, ewch i'n gwefan, lle gallwch lawrlwytho adroddiad llawn y Comisiynydd Heddlu a Throsedd. I weld holl fideos i'n Adroddiad Blynyddol ac i ddarllen adroddiad llawn y Comisiynydd, ewch i'n gwefan.